Hello. Thank you so much, sir, for first of all inviting me and then realizing the potential of this idea and then collaborating with me. So I have completed my MTech in biotechnology department from IIT Guwahati and majorly focusing my work into computational biology, bioinformatics, and systems biology. During that time, I was also exploring Ayurveda. I have studied Ayurveda for a year unofficially, but for my curiosity. And I realized that about Ayurveda, it has huge potential, but it has huge database and it's very complex. So the value it's supposed to add to the healthcare ecosystem is not happening because there is no computable database, there is no computational framework on which we can leverage the data which is existing in Ayurveda. So since then I started digitizing the classical text of Ayurveda and created a structured computable database of Ayurveda, which I'll be presenting in the presentation how that can be used. Now, so let me, because I feel that हर कोई आयुर्वेदिक बैकग्राउंड से नहीं होगा और उसकी फ्रेमवर्क और फाउंडेशन को नहीं समझता होगा. So I'll just try to clear that framework or the foundation of Ayurveda. Now Ayurveda says that everything is made up of 5 elements. So we have fire, water, ether, earth, and wind. Now this might not be very understandable as such. You might be associating these elements with the real like fire, water, and all that. But that is not it is basically. So उसके जो गुण हैं, उसके जो qualities हैं, basically that is signified through these elements. Now Ayurveda says that ये 5 element के ही composition से पूरी nature बनी है, as we can see in the figure, right? So we have different things in this universe and everything is made up of different permutation and combination of these 5 elements. So यहाँ तक clear है, right? So this composition of 5 elements also includes the nature and nature में हम भी आते हैं, तो human biological system is also made up of these 5 elements. So I'm just trying to create that framework in order so that you understand like what is Ayurveda. So we need an interface basically to perceive something, and that interface is basically the human biological system ourselves. तो हमारी चेतना में जब उजागर होता है तभी हमें उस चीज़ की पता चलती है और उसका नॉलेज समझ में आता है, राइट? सो व्हेन यू आर आई एम सेइंग ओके कि खीर मीठी है, तो जब तक आप खाओगे नहीं खीर मीठी आपको नहीं पता चलेगा, लाइक यू कैन जस्ट बिलीव इट. But when you interact that kheer with your biological system, when you eat it, consume it, you perceive that thing. So such perceptions basically is categorized under this category of Ayurveda that we call as code as rasa, guna, virya, vipak and karma physiological action. कि कौन सी physiological action को activate करना है. Just giving a few example. Taste तो आपको पता ही होगा, रस जो टंग पे फील होता है. गुण होता है जैसे कि पोहा है, चावल है, सो चावल से ही बनता है लेकिन उसके गुण अलग अलग हो जाती है, लाइक सेम मटेरियल यू यूज़, यू टेक इट थ्रू डिफरेंट प्रोसेस, उसके प्रॉपर्टीज चेंज हो जाती है. तासीर जो मोस्टली लाइक इंडियन नॉलेज में है, आप जैसे हमारे घर में दादी नानी बोलते हैं इसको मत खा पेट गर्म हो जाएगा, इसको ज़्यादा मत खा सर्दी हो जाएगी एंड ऑल. सो दैट इज़ अ वीडियो. विपाक इज़ अ पोस्ट डाइजेस्टिव इफेक्ट. व्हेन यू कंज्यूम देयर इज़ अ इफेक्ट लेटर ऑन. फिजियोलॉजिकल एक्शन इज़ बेसिकली द टारगेट दैट the element that you consume that goes into certain targeting. आप कोई चीज़ ज़्यादा कंज्यूम करो, फॉर एग्जांपल टॉयलेट आ रही है, कोई चीज़ ज़्यादा कंज्यूम करो कॉन्स्टिपेटेड हो गए, कुछ चीज़ ज़्यादा कंज्यूम करो तो लूज मोशन हो गया. सो इन दैट वे देर इज़ physiological action effect of that particular thing. So we have everything made up of 5 elements. We have human biological system in order to perceive that. So this perception happen under this category. सो यहाँ पे बेसिकली आई एम गिविंग कि कैसे कोडिंग हो रही है, सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड लाइक वो कंप्यूटेशनल फ्रेमवर्क कैसे बना. सो लाइक आई सेड, तो व्हेन यू आर कंज्यूमिंग और यू आर इंटरेक्टिंग विद द नेचर, देर इज सर्टेन deviation that happens, that certain stimulation that happens in the biological system. If that stimulation crosses certain threshold, there is perturbation which consequently show up in the form of sign and symptom, जिसके आधार पे हम diagnosis करते हैं. तो how basically that happens. So you are consuming or you're based on your lifestyle or your dietary regime and anything that you are following, you are consuming something. So we have a regular system body follow करता है कि इतना खाना खाया उसको digest किया, इतना glucose बना उसको store किया and all that, right? But when you're consuming or your lifestyle is set, so it deviates, it perturbs to a level that it shows certain sign and symptom. Like I have given an example of मूत्र घात, यहाँ पे sign and symptom है. To understand, to diagnose something, you have to map those sign and symptom and understand what's that disease is particular. So यहाँ पे जैसे whitish urine, thickness in urine, burning micturition, interrupted flow of urine, non-production of urine. So these are the sign and symptom which has been mapped, which in Ayurvedic terminology is basically मूत्र घात. अब इनकी mapping हो गई. Now as I said, external world is also made up of 5 elements. So you have to integrate or eat something for this sign and symptom in order to bring that into balance. Giving a very basic example, जब ज़्यादा acidity होती है तो आप पानी पीते हो in order to bring that into balance. So similarly, now this mapping of dravya, herbs and plants are happening to those sign and symptom. Now I'll show you the platform and we will do this, certain activity of filling the blanks type. So as you can see, this is a platform. So this is the first computable database of Ayurveda which we have created. In the left hand side, you can see this category Rasa, Guna, Karma, Veera, Vibhag, chemical constituent, modern side say we have also integrated the chemical constituent data, and disease, that is Roga. Now when a user select these parameters under this category, this platform explore and identifies the dietary elements and supplements, herbs in a rank wise order. So मैं plant में जाता हूँ and I disease में, for example, a patient came, उसको से obesity है तो हमने obesity select किया. फिर उसको से asthma है, so I have selected like asthma. Then उसको cough भी हो रहा है. So ये 3 condition है, right? I want to identify what are the dietary elements as per Ayurveda. So I just submit it and I get a list of ingredients in a rank wise order basically. As you can see, 4 column है. पहला column is basically Sanskrit name, terminology as explained in Ayurveda, then botanical name, फिर English name, then part used. Now third column आप देखिए, you can connect camphor, barley, garlic, eucalyptus. Now here we have all the chefs, maybe they can formulate a recipe using these 4 ingredients: camphor, edible camphor, barley, garlic, eucalyptus. Now I've given like 4 elements. You can design a recipe, very simple recipe maybe, for someone who is having obesity, asthma, and having the cough. So this is how it is basically helping. Now we have also given the filter. आपको seeds चाहिए, culinary herb चाहिए, spice, fruit, legume, nut, additive, herb, oil. All the culinary categories we have given. So you can select any one category कि मैं vegetable चाहिए. So you just select vegetable and then apply. So you get all the vegetables under those category. तो ये हो गया एक like disease के आधार पे short listing करना. Now I'll show you Dravya Gun as I explained कि I want something of food which is light on stomach and which helps in urination. So Mutrala, terminology Ayurvedic hai, so that's why I'm explaining. Mutrala is that helps in urination, and Chakshushya, which is good for improvement of the eye power. I want कि उसका taste मधुर हो, यानी कि sweet हो, so I selected sweet. उसकी तासीर body को ठंडा करे, so शीत. Now I have selected these parameters. Light on stomach, helps in urination, good for the improvement of eye power, sweet in taste, and उसकी तासीर body को ठंडा करे. So I submit that and I get a list of ingredients. As you can see, rice, elephant grass, Embolic myrobalan, camphor, cock salawat. So all the ingredients shortlisted. This is in rank wise order. Let me click on one ingredient to get more detailed information about this particular ingredient. So Shali, Oriza, Sativa, you get the description on botanical, macroscopic and microscopic description of it. You get other details कि कौन से disease में use होता है, उसके dosage क्या है, standard dosage, Ayurvedic formulation in which this is present. You have Dravya Guna parameters, Karma, Rasa, Guna, Veera, Vibhag. As you can see the highlighted part, क्योंकि मैंने उसको input किया था, so these are highlighted in the part. Common names as given in Indian local languages, then scientific classification of this particular ingredient. You can also go to the Wikipedia page. We have connected that in order to get if you want more detailed information about it. So basically, the idea was to enhance and enable the Ayurveda through the computational framework and the computational intelligence. And Professor Ganesh Baglar had really helped me out in first of all realizing the potential, क्योंकि पहले कोई realize ही नहीं कर रहा था जब मैं pitch करता था कि भाई idea ये है, idea ये है, बोलते नहीं काम करेगा. So first of all, he realized that and he really helped me out. Now a lot of people are coming forward in helping me out, and I'm thankful to like everyone listening to it. If there is any doubt, you can ask. Thank you so much.